Welcome to the Competence FBORO 302. Perform restaurant opening duties. Today we're focusing on learning outcome 4. Set up the restaurant for service. Let's dive into the key topics we'll explore in this session. Outline of the topics we'll cover. 1. Collecting cutleries, flatware, glassware, and linen. 2. Spreading table linen on the table. 3. Folding napkins. 4. Setting up tables. Now, let's elaborate on each topic. Collecting cutleries, flatware, glassware, and linen. Efficient restaurant service starts with collecting the necessary items. This includes identifying various cutleries, flatware sets, types of linens, and glasses. Proper organization and preparation of these items are essential for a smooth dining experience. Spreading table linen on the table. The table's presentation sets the dining ambience, with table linen playing a vital role. Understanding its identification and layout procedures ensures a welcoming atmosphere. Properly spreading table linen enhances aesthetics and cleanliness, creating a positive guest experience. Attention to detail in table presentation reflects the establishment's commitment to quality and hospitality. Mastery of table linen handling ensures consistency in service standards and guest satisfaction. Folding napkins. Napkin folding elevates the dining experience by infusing elegance and sophistication. Understanding the functions of guest napkins, such as hygiene and presentation, is crucial for restaurant staff. Identifying various types of napkin folds, from classic to intricate designs, allows for creative table arrangements tailored to different occasions. Mastering folding techniques enhances service quality and guest satisfaction. A well-folded napkin adds visual appeal and signifies the restaurant's commitment to excellence and attention to detail, leaving a lasting impression on diners. Setting up tables. Setting up tables encompasses meticulous attention to detail, particularly in adhering to the distinct requirements of various restaurant menus, such as a la carte and table d'hôte. Understanding the differences between these menus is crucial. An a la carte menu offers individually priced items, allowing guests to choose dishes separately. In contrast, a table d'hôte menu features a fixed selection of courses for a set price. Factors to consider in table setting include menu presentation, tableware arrangement, and ambiance creation. For a la carte service, tables should be set with individual place settings, including flatware, glassware, and condiments, to accommodate guests' personalized orders. Conversely, table d'hôte service requires uniformity, with tables set identically to ensure consistency in presentation and service timing. Table setting procedures involve meticulous arrangement, ensuring symmetry and alignment of tableware, with attention to detail reflecting the restaurant's standards of hospitality and sophistication. In summary, we've explored collecting cutleries, flatware, glassware, and linen, spreading table linen on the table, folding napkins, and setting up tables. Now let's assess your understanding. Name 2 types of cutleries. Why is table linen necessary in restaurant setup? How many types of napkin folds were discussed in the video? Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. See you next time.